past several years, Kellogg Company has been on a transformation journey. At each stage, we've improved our portfolio, enhanced our performance, and increased value for all of our stakeholders. Now we are taking bold next steps on that journey, unlocking the full potential of our portfolio through three important actions. First, we are creating a leader in global snacking, international cereal and noodles, and North America frozen breakfast, consisting of approximately 80% of the Kellogg portfolio. We will choose a new corporate name in the coming months, but for now, we're calling this Global Snacking Co. The company and its culture will be built on the shoulders of the rich heritage and legacy started by our founder, W.K. Kellogg. As an independent company, Global Snacking Co. will focus investments and capital to build on its strong growth momentum and profitability. Second, we intend to separate our U.S., Canada, and Caribbean cereal business to create a leading independent cereal company. Its name will also be decided in the coming months, but for now, we're calling it North America Cereal Co. As a standalone independent company with a portfolio of iconic, category-leading brands, North America Cereal Co. will have dedicated capital and resources with compelling opportunities for investment and profit growth. And third, we intend to separate our plant-based foods business to create a profitable, pure-play plant-based foods company. For now, we're calling this business PlantCo. The creation of North America Cereal Co. and PlantCo are anticipated to be executed via tax-free spin-offs, which involves turning these parts of our business into two separate, publicly traded companies. We're also exploring other strategic alternatives for PlantCo, including a possible sale, which will allow us to consider all the possible avenues for PlantCo's future growth and value creation. This is an incredibly exciting opportunity for everyone at Kellogg. I believe all of our stakeholders will benefit significantly from the opportunities that will be created from these bold next steps in our transformation. We're currently targeting to complete the spin-offs by the end of 2023, so we'll be one company for a little while yet, and for the next 18 months, we will operate with a business-as-usual mindset. In the meantime, we must focus on continuing to deliver for our consumers and customers. Operating independently is expected to enable all three businesses to do many things better than if we remained as one. For example, they will be better able to focus on their distinct strategic priorities with dedicated financial targets that best fit their own markets and opportunities. Execute with increased agility and operational flexibility, enabling more focused allocation of capital and resources in a manner consistent with those strategic priorities. To realize improved outlooks for profitable growth. And crucially, they will also be able to shape distinctive corporate cultures and rewarding career paths for their talented and hardworking employees. We believe these advantages will help to unlock the significant potential of each of the three companies, and shareholders will be able to value each company based on its distinct operational and financial characteristics and invest accordingly. Today's announcement is the next step in our successful transformation journey, which we've been on for quite some time. A few milestones from that journey spring to mind. We acquired Pringles in 2012, expanded into Brazil through the acquisition of Parity in 2016, and acquired RXBar in 2017, all of which built Kellogg's presence in the growing global snacking category. We entered into a joint venture with Tolaram in 2015 and expanded into Egypt also in 2015, creating a significant African footprint and advancing Kellogg's emerging market presence, which now represents 25% of net sales. Then there was the exit from direct store delivery in 2017 to reinvest in Kellogg's snack brands, and the divestiture of the Keebler business in 2019 to focus our portfolio. The successful execution of these actions fine-tuned and expanded Kellogg's portfolio, resulting in a scaled global snacking business and significant emerging markets presence, complemented by strong and profitable breakfast and plant-based foods businesses. The outcome of these strategic actions has been improved growth in recent years, with momentum sustained into 2022, and we are now in a prime position to unlock the full and future potential of our portfolio. The separations will enable Global Snacking Co. to focus investments and capital on building upon its strong growth momentum and profitability. With increased agility and operational flexibility, the business is expected to benefit from more focused resources and attention on brand building, innovation, and international expansion of world-class brands, as well as continuing to build scale in emerging markets. This is expected to allow it to enhance its leadership position in global snacking, international cereal and noodles, and North America frozen breakfast, unlocking its full public value. I will remain as Chairman and Chief Executive Officer of Global Snacking Co., but like everyone else, I will be focused on ensuring Kellogg delivers on its objectives until the separations are completed. We would not have taken this step if we didn't feel North America Cereal Co. would be better able to unlock its potential as a standalone company than if we were to maintain the status quo. North America Cereal Co.'s independence will create a leading cereal company in the United States, Canada, and the Caribbean, with beloved brands, a heritage of innovation, and more than a century of operational success. It will have greater strategic focus and operational flexibility, and will direct capital and resources toward unlocking growth, regaining category share, and restoring and expanding profit margins. Longer term, it will strengthen its business by focusing resources and investments toward portfolio, operating capabilities, and productivity. Kellogg's leading plant-based food business has enjoyed decades of leadership in its category and has several avenues for continued growth and expansion. The business has a proven winner with the Morningstar Farms brand, which Kellogg has grown since its acquisition 20 years ago to have the highest share and household penetration in the frozen veg-vegan category. As an independent business, PlantCo will have the opportunity to build on its strong base of growth and profitability, focusing its resources and investments toward capitalizing on strong category prospects by building awareness and penetration in North America and expanding internationally in the future. While we intend to spin off PlantCo, we're also exploring other strategic alternatives for this business. This process will allow us to consider all possible avenues for PlantCo's growth and value creation, enabling it to fulfill its huge potential. Today's announcement is just the beginning of a new chapter. There's a long way to go, and there are some important decisions and steps ahead, including naming the 3 new companies, auditing their financials, and announcing their organizational and governance structures and management teams. All of that will take some time, which is why we're currently targeting for the spin-offs to be completed by the end of 2023. This is a major milestone in Kellogg's long and successful history. Throughout our 116 years of doing business, we have been a company that is continually transformed, one that has shown the ability to adapt and evolve in a changing world. I believe this is exactly the kind of step that Mr. Kellogg himself would have taken to create tremendous opportunities for the business and our stakeholders. He was a fearless entrepreneur who was always evolving the business. We wouldn't be here today if he had rested on his laurels. We know that you will have a lot of questions over the coming weeks and months, and we will of course keep you updated with key developments along the way. It's taken a lot of hard work to get where we are today. It's an enviable position to be in, making an announcement like this from a position of real strength, and I could not be prouder of everyone's hard work in helping us get here. After 116 years in business, how cool is it that our best days are absolutely in front of us?